A very big Jai Hind and good morning to all class 9th student. Today we are here to see the back exercise from your Behave book class 9. Page number 50 and 51 we have to see. So firstly let us begin with objective questions. Here are some headings from paragraph in the text with the numbers of a paragraph. Find each title against the heading. You have to search, student, this type of paragraph. It is objective type questions. So firstly you have to search that in which line this paragraph belongs. Firstly, Einstein equation, it is in paragraph number 9. You can see it, the line, this line indicates, okay, yes. Second, Einstein meets his future wife. When Einstein met his future wife, it is in paragraph number 7. Its lines as given, you have to search it and put the numbers. It is the objective text. The making of a violinist, it is on 3rd paragraph. Maliva and Einstein mother, this line, conversation on page number 10. A letter that launched the arms race, it is on 15. A desk drawer full of ideas, a drawer desk, it is on page number 8. And marriage and divorcee, it is a 11. So student, please see here, this way you have to write, okay, no problem. Now question number 2. Who had this opinion about Einstein? First, second and third, 3 lines are given. You have to just mention the opinion. He was boring. Classmates, playmates, the students, colleagues are saying he is boring fellow. He was stupid and would never succeed in life. Second question, it is the conversation given by the headmasters and teachers, that because Einstein is freak, unusual fellow in the class. He was a freak given by mother. Freak means meaning a person who speaks twice, repetition of words when he is talking. Now question number 3. Explain what are the reasons for the following. You have to give the reasons. This question consists of giving the explanation. What do you understand from the chapter, from the units? Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. Why? Because he thinks that going to the other school, it feels better and the environment is good and it is a liberal, means easy to cope. Second, Einstein waiting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich. Why? Because he left at the age of 15, because he thinks that going to Switzerland is a comfortable zone. Comfort is the study is less, so that he can enjoy the playings. Third, Einstein seeing in Maliva and Ali. What is the meaning of Ali, student? Ali, see here word. Okay, Ali. The word Ali means friend. Aliva, Einstein, Maliva are friends because when Einstein see in the college due to graduation course, she is very pretty, admire and appreciate. So she thinks that Einstein is a good person because Einstein is a good student. He is a very intelligent, interesting in maths and physics. So they became a friend. Fourth question. What do this tells you about Einstein? This all tells about Einstein that Einstein is a genius fellow. He has given the formula E is equal to mc square. Then law of relativity all consist. Now long questions. Now students, we have to discuss the long questions. Question number 4. The main question are arising now. So pay attention carefully. What did Einstein call his desk drawer at a patent office? Why? Einstein keeps all the records, all the books of physics and study materials in a drawer. We can see we can use the drawer for keeping the articles, for books, encyclopedia. So he kept in the drawer desk. Physics assignments, we can say, keeping all are in office. Why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt West? Einstein write an article that to Franklin Roosevelt West because when they are considering of Nazis means an atomic research nuclear fission bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, it will destroy all the world because nuclear fission consists of atomic and whole world will be destroyed. All human life will be disturbed. he has given the information that what are the causes, demerits, disasters of the atom bombs, atomic bombs, nuclear fission. So now question number 6. How did Einstein react to the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? We all know when America has dropped bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, it has a great collisions, because nuclear fission when reacts with a heat and light, it multiplies and get the numerous bad effects. We can see that what happens when bomb was blast in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So it is against the human articles, because Albert Einstein is a very good democratic person. He is always thinking for a world peace. He is a very good article writing and thinking of whole world citizens. So this is our answer. Now last answer, long answer. Why did the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? See this is our last answer, world citizen. So answer, this world has very much a great genius, that is Albert Einstein. He was born in 14th March. He is a very freak student when he was a small child. Later 2.5 years he is talking a word twice. He left the school. But the world has caught him because he has given the law of relativity in physics. He is a great physician, a well-democratic political parties member, thinking about a world citizen, peace for the world, and giving the message that all humans should be properly working. There should be no science or physics used for a destructive mode for a disadvantageous merits. We have to work science, physics in a human development rather than to inventing the bomb, atom bombs, nuclear fission, atomic disasters, and putting it to the world for their powers. So student, this is our question answers. I have explained you. Now I will send you the PDF mode. The question answers will be given to you systematically one by one, so that you can easily write down in your class or copy. So today this chapter is complete. Tomorrow we are going to see the new chapter. So please study the new unit. I will send the word meaning of a next chapter. I will give in my next lectures. Okay. So student, be prepared, complete the class or copy, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Have a nice day, student.